I really hope this video isn't a hot mess. So, this video was supposed to be a fall day vlog with apple picking and apple pie making and pumpkin patch looking, but I lost all the footage from that vlog that I filmed last week. So here I am the day before a video is supposed to be posted, trying to film a quality video to put on the internet. Y'all read the title. I'm going to be transferring myself into some black 90s queens for Halloween because that's just what I felt like doing today. It was the only thing that kept me motivated to film a whole new video. Let's get into it now, shall we? We have the iconic Janet Jackson. Okay, like, she doesn't need an introduction. She doesn't need me to tell you how great she is. Like, you already know. You were there. You saw. And if you didn't, you've heard about it. So this is the look I'm going for because I love that she just looks casual, but like fierce, which is just natural for her. I feel like, meaning this photo is about to be a struggle for me to take. She has so many statement, unique looks of the 90s. I can't even begin to like fathom that. It was hard for me to choose, but for some reason I really was drawn to this picture because I feel like it's closest to what I can pull together, and like with this wig color, we're just gonna try to finesse that. I don't even want to show y'all my closet because it is a little bit of a hot mess. So this shouldn't be too hard, right? I just need jeans and like a white shirt, right? And I don't have a sweater. Oh, I do. I can rock this cream. It's light enough, and I can like edit this and make it whiter in the photo. Now I have to do makeup. It looks very natural, and on the cheeks she has her eyebrows done, and then she has like gold shimmer and then mascara. So, and it looks like she got some lip liner on too. So we gonna figure this out. Okay, let's do this. Put some earrings on, and then I'm gonna run to the rooftop where we're going to take the picture. Okay, so we're gonna try this. Oh my god, the lighting. We're gonna try this. Hopefully, you know, I can pull this off. Nobody can do it like her. So the struggle with this was finding something to lean on that was the correct level. This railing that I'm leaning on is not the same as the one in the photo. I tried leaning on a chair, that did not work. Standing up clearly did not work. Then I got attacked by a wind tunnel, but I took it on like a champ. Thanks, Kev, for checking out if the camera was still recording. You know, so then I just decided to try to do it on my tippy toes. And that seemed to work a little bit better. Then for some reason I tried the chairs again. I don't know why I did that. It clearly didn't work. But you know, we got the shot. Aliyah. I mean, a queen nonetheless. Her outfits were always a vibe. The bagginess, the like type of baggy. I don't give a crap about gender roles and my fashion kind of swag. Like, we are here for it. She is literally one of the main people I think of when I think about the 90s. So it was definitely hard to find a photo that I could recreate because she stayed wearing like, you know, like low-rise pants. Like, she looked bomb in them. I haven't finished my Shanti workouts yet, so we're just not there yet. Nor do I own Calvin's, which is another thing that she had in a lot of her videos. But, you know, like Calvin Klein underwear and like the bra set. Such like a 90s vibe. But so this is the look that we are gonna go for. She's sitting up against a white background, which I figured I have. I have like a snapback-ish kind of hat. You know, the earrings, the makeup. I'm gonna borrow one of Kevin's shirts. I've seen a black sports bra, black pants, and then like white poking out. And I'm gonna change into some smaller hoops because hers aren't as large as this. And I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I haven't changed my makeup yet. I just changed. Okay, I found some smaller hoops, so that's what we're working with. And then I'm also gonna use my tripod. So we're just gonna try to get started. I also got a skinny bag because if you, I'll put the picture here, if you look, she has like a bag coming through. But a low key, yeah. And I put on a black sports bra. So this is gonna be Very interesting. The only thing I need to change is my taking off this gold eyeshadow because she doesn't have that. So I don't know if you guys know this trick. If you don't have eye makeup remover, I just put lotion on where you want it to come off. Ooh, like low-key thick, don't like rub it in. But yeah, like that. Ooh, just trying not to get me in my eyeball. It's taking a tissue and wiping it completely off. So if you see the gold's like all gone, I don't know. It's like if you ever run out of makeup remover or you don't have it, just use lotion. Most people have lotion, and any kind, you know what I mean? So there's a little hack for you. Now I'm gonna use these 3 colors to try to create this deep red lip that she has. And start shooting. So after I got a toe cramp from this, I literally was so frustrated because the shorts that I had to stuff into my skinny jeans were cutting off my circulation, you know, but I got the shot. That one was so hard. Gosh, because I really thought I could nail that one. I thought that was gonna be the easiest. But anyway, next we got, you know, the Black Cinderella herself. You know what I'm saying? That movie is so iconic. Like, I think I'm gonna go watch that soon. Miss Brandy. Low-key, people have told me I look like her. I don't see it. I wanna be mad, but I just don't see it. So, I don't know. Let me know. I don't know, I don't see it. But yeah, so this is the look we're going for. It's literally the clips for me, okay? I freaking love those clips that people put in their hair. That is such a 90s vibe. Now I'm gonna do Brandy, and what I'm looking for is like a light blue like t-shirt moment. Hers is more fancy, but I have a ton of light blue t-shirts. I'm just gonna throw that on, and then I'll check in with you when I fix the makeup again. Okay, we're back. So this is the only blue t-shirt I could find, but it looks close enough from the side. Insert picture here. Yeah, so like that's close enough. Obviously we're not gonna show any of this and it's gonna be fine. So in the picture she has on, which was, you know, another big 90s thing, the iconic like blue eyeshadow on the lid to match the shirt. So that's what we're gonna do with my Juvia's Place palette. It has this light blue in the corner over here. It's the only one I have, so. Next is hair. I don't know what way to wipe this. That's so bad. I don't have a tissue. Don't judge me. All right, anyway, her hair, see, this is a problem because I'm in wig mode, protective styling mode, as you guys know. Her style kind of goes like this, but it's also like this part goes back, and like I'm about to like expose myself here with this wig I have on. You know, so I'm gonna pull this back, and then, you know, y'all know I have these clips. Why is it faced this way? Like, how am I supposed to do that? Okay, so I mean, that's as close as we're gonna get. Let's do this thing. I felt confident about this one because the face she's making, I low-key make all the time. Or I mean, I try to. It's like that smize look. So yeah, I got the shot. I think we got it, people. I think we got it. Come on, focus. Focus on me. Why don't you want to focus? Hello, forget about this. Nobody cares about, there we go. Nope, still not focused. Next outfit. Next, the queen, Nia Long. She is so fire, people. We knew this though, we knew this. The lip liner, the thin eyebrows, the statement haircuts. Sis is everything. So this is the look that we're going for. Sis is completely unbothered. She's smizing, she's slaying effortlessly. So, it's starting to get dark, which actually is a good thing for this last photo because she was taken, I guess, outside at night. I'm gonna wait until the sun fully goes down and it's dark outside. But I'm gonna just grab jeans and a belt, which is, like I said, my uniform most of the time. And then I don't have a halter top, so I'm probably just gonna have to do like a tank top situation. I can look, I might have a halter top. I can't remember. It's been a long time. Literally the only thing that had a similar silhouette to the top that she's wearing is this orange bodysuit that I got from Sorella that I showed you guys in my black owned business try-on haul. So that's what I'm doing. She has light eyeshadow, like light purple, which is my favorite color. And then she has that dark rip similar to the one that I did in the Aliyah photo. I definitely just combined red and lip and said rip, so there's that. And then she has that dark rip similar to the one that I did in the Aliyah photo. So I'm gonna put that on. And then also her hair is super short and she has like the cute little flip, which would have been so much easier if this was my natural hair. But, ooh, she's sliding. I'm gonna try to do like the fake bob situation, and then hopefully I can try to edit the color of this to the light pink that she has on in the photo. So yeah, we're gonna finesse a little bit. Y'all tell me that doesn't freaking work, okay? Okay. Okay, progress, right? So I put some sunglasses on the top of my head, and then I have this bag because it's the only one that has this like chain look like the one that she has. And I'm gonna just put it over my shoulder and hide the bag because you can't see hers either. and you can see the chain on the top of my shoulder. Ah! That's all you need.
You need to look more confident in your face.
I need to look more confident in the face, he said. Trying to look unbothered and unfazed like Miss Nia Long did with that flash in my eye. Y'all, my bug eyes were wide as can be. But you know I got the shot. So now it's time for me to choose which one of these photos I want to put on Instagram.
It's only right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah.
The real challenge begins. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Stay safe for Halloween. You know, COVID's still out there, so, you know, make smart decisions, people. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.